guys, it's Jennifer Elizabeth with Pickless Vlogs. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Today's video is for the Open Collab hashtag Sticker Saturday, hosted by Crafting Rose. And in this collab, we upload our videos on Saturdays and we share with you anything that is sticker related. It could be a craft we've done with our stickers, a project, or even a sticker haul. This week, I'm going to share with you my 2 Pipstick subscriptions that I recently got in. The first one that I have is the Pro Sticker Club, which is the classic. And then I also have the Kids Sticker Club, which is also the classic. So we'll start with the adults one, which is the Pro Sticker Club. And again, I'm really torn because I love them both, but I think I'm leaning towards liking the Kids Sticker Club just a little bit better. But I'm not going to share a craft with you. I'm just going to share both of these month's subscriptions because I don't want this to be a super long video, and I'm going to kind of let the stickers talk for themselves because they're all super cute. Okay, so let's go through Pipsticks Pro Sticker Club Classic. They send you this cute little book. I'll show you that at the end, and let's look at the stickers. There's I believe it's 15 items they send you. Okay, so here's the first one. I know it looks like it's upside down, but the label's down there. So you can see that's a laptop. I'll turn it. So that's the first sheet. Second sheet. Really cute. The third sheet. I like this month's theme. It's crafting, it seems. Like you can tell when you look at all these stickers. Definitely crafting. Those are really cute. Who remembers making these? Used to make them all the time in middle school and high school. I love this sheet. This one's beautiful. Really cute. And here's some crafting sayings, which are adorable. And then we have this right here. It's a big one. They send you a big one for like your laptop. Let's see, I think it's like this, yep. Really cute. I remember those stores where they sold like the candies like this and the stickers like this. And then we have some more crafting items. So far this is really cute. I like this next page. I like a lot. It's probably one of my favorite ones. I think in this pack, this one here is my favorite, and this one because obviously the plants and the cat. It's really cute, this one. Friendship bracelets. Then we have this right here. Those are adorable. And some sewing. I'll put these to the side. Then we have, this is really cute. And then they always send you a postcard, which is really cute as well. I'm just going to use these in my journal. Not going to send it. And here's the little book. And again, this subscription was $17.95 without a discount. I used a discount code, so I got 3 months for half off. So it's like $8 and some change. I do like that. I did that for both the kids subscription and the adults. So you can just see there's like little stuff in here. Now let's look at the kids one, and then we'll make a decision which one we like better. And I want you to comment and let me know which one you like better. They're both really cool, but see, you can already see the kids one. I don't know, scoring some major points here. I definitely do think I'm partial, though, to the kids one. And I don't know that I would keep either of these subscriptions for the $17.95. Definitely for the half off price. I think that's awesome. This is really cute. And I think I have a month left in each of them, actually. These are cute. These are like little chameleons. So this is super adorable. So for the kind of crafting that I do, I think that the kids ones work for my style and for the crafting that I do. I think it works just a little better. These are really cute too. Then we have these cute little monkeys. This one is beautiful. I love that. Let me put these aside and we'll look at the next batch so they don't bounce off of each other. Those are cute. I love these stickers here. I think they're so pretty, the way they catch the light. This is adorable. And then we have some cute little alligators. Scratch and sniff stickers. And this is the postcard for the kids. See, I think I really like the kids one better. Not that there's anything wrong with the adult one. I just think the kids one is more fun and more geared to the type of crafting I do. And then this little book comes in the kids one, which again is really cool. So you get different activities, and then there's a coloring sheet as well. So that wraps up today's hashtag Sticker Saturday video, both of my Pipstick subscriptions. Let me know which one you guys like better. Like I said, I'm really, really leaning towards the kids one. I'm curious to know which one you like better. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to put in that hashtag Sticker Saturday. Watch everyone's videos, show them some love. And also watch Crafting Rose's video, show her some love as well. Please don't forget to comment down below, like this video, hit that subscribe button and the post notification bell so you know next time I upload and every time I upload. Have a wonderful day. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.